It's like I don't care about nothing, man. Yeah. Oh,
What's going on, guys? This video is about congruent triangles. So you are going to learn what CPCTC stands for. Alright, so we are now talking about congruent triangles and CPCTC. So I'll explain what CPCTC stands for in a second. But up here, congruent triangles. Triangles with the same angles and sides. So congruent means that they're the same, they're equal. So this means corresponding parts have the same angles and sides. So the angles and sides are going to be congruent. So a valid congruency statement must match all corresponding angles and sides. So for instance, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So A goes with D, B goes with E, C goes with F. So notice, like, if I looked at A has one arc, so does D. B has two arcs, E has two as well. So the pictures can tell you your statement. Your statement can also make it so you can draw the pictures. So soon you're going to be hearing me say CPCTC all the time. Now, I know you're very excited about this. You could almost say that it's you're so excited because you know it's going to be legendary.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Now, with this one, CPCTC stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So that is what CPCT stands for. So for number one, I'm only going to do one possible congruency statement. Now, a congruency statement, we're saying one triangle is congruent to another triangle. So I'm going to say triangle PTW is congruent to triangle. So now I have to figure out which letters go with which one on this one. So P had one arc. The only other one that has one arc is H. T had two arcs. The only one that has two is G. And W had three arcs. The only one that has three arcs is D. So this could be one possible congruency statement based on the picture that we were given. So the only problem I'm going to go over with you for the CPCTC is going to be number 10. On this problem, you have, or you're told that triangle XPS is congruent to triangle DNF. So find the values of X and Y. So we have to figure out what these equations go to. So if I want to find what goes with XP, I need to look at the congruency statement. So XP will go with DN. So X goes with D, P goes with N. So if we do that, so DN is located right here. So this side, the 4y minus 3 goes with the 57. So we're going to have 4y minus 3 equals 57. So we are going to add 3 to both sides. It will cancel it out on the left. 4y equals 60. divide by 4, and y equals 12. So we were able to solve for y because we knew what side goes with it.
What an idiot.
Now if we do the other side, xs, now x goes with d, s goes with f. So df is this side right here. So the 17x plus 3 is going to equal 54. So I am going to start off by subtracting 3 to both sides. And, whoops, forgot to put an x with it. So 17x equals 51. Now we're going to divide by 17 to both sides, which will equal 3. Oops. So x equals 3, y equals 12. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So by the end of this video, you hopefully know what CPCT stands for and know how to do a congruency statement and look at a congruency statement. So whenever you have a statement, so this triangle is congruent to the other triangle, pay attention to the letter because the order of what they wrote does in fact matter. So I hope you enjoyed.